So you guys, we are through a bunch of basic processes that I use whenever I'm editing my video. We talked about the goldfish rule, the 7 seconds rule. We talked about how to beat match on your video. Also talked about a little bit information as far as ducking goes. The next thing that I want to talk about is pretty simple, and that is just adding your own artwork to your video. So I have a clip right here, the very ending. I also have an outro type of artwork. Now, yours doesn't have to be animated. It can be just an image. There's a lot of different things that you can do. In fact, let's get rid of this thing and go back into our artwork. We have a community game night here. I want it to be the community game night. So I want to utilize this thumbnail here. So we'll bring back the footage. And what I've done is a very simple process. I took the very last clip, and you can see it fading out into this next piece of artwork here. Boom. Very nice, clean transition. Now, all that really is an opacity
filter.
Go into your effects controls. I'm just going to delete these. Basically, all we're going to do is go to the very end of the clip, make your opacity 0%, and then bring it back to this section right here. I'm gonna just delete that. Obviously, this is completely invisible. We don't want that. So let's bring it back up to 100%. As it hits that, it's going to start fading out and into the artwork that we want to show. Pretty simple opacity change. So you can use opacity in a lot of ways. Opacity is how much of the image is being seen. We have 100% of the image being seen, and it transitioning to 0%, just like that. Completely invisible. So now we can see the key artwork from our thumbnail. Cool. So now you can apply a lot of these principles, techniques, and ideas to your own editing process. As far as details go, like I said, I wanted to make this video more universal for anybody at home. If you're trying to make content at home, if you're trying to, develop some YouTube videos that you want to show off some Apex footage, or maybe you have some ideas, maybe some of these ideas will help you retain your audience and keep those numbers up. And in the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to create thumbnails that are eye-catching, appealing looking thumbnails to help your video stand out amongst the sea of amazing content creators. So if you're a content creator, I hope that some of this has helped you. If you're just here supporting myself, I want to thank you very much. And like I said at the top of this, if you are a content creator and some of these have helped you, I want to see some of your videos. So be sure to drop a link down in the comments below. Hit the like on this video if you found some of this information helpful for you. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so that you can be notified anytime that I put up a new video. I also want to really quick just thank our friends over on Patreon. This video and everything is brought to you by you. So thank you so much to all of our Patreon subscribers out there. And again, thank you for watching this. And I look forward to showing you how to do some more stuff in the next video. We'll see you later, you guys. Deuces.